Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two of the most popular ways to browse a restaurant's menu: traditional menus and QR code menus. Now, one represents the quintessential flipping through the page experience that many people root for. The other one is the epitome of modern user experience, first brought mainstream thanks to the pandemic, and then adopted globally for its contactless and hassle-free user experience. But are menu QR codes really better than the traditional menus we all know and love? In this video, we will compare traditional menus to QR code menus with a restaurant-first QR code generator such as Beaconstac, and this will help us to determine which is the best for your restaurant business. But first, real quick, sign up for Beaconstac's 14-day free trial so that you can get first-hand experience on what we discuss in this video. All right, let's dive into the world of traditional menus versus QR code menus. For starters, traditional and QR code menus both serve the same purpose: to provide customers with a list of food and drink options available at a restaurant. However, there are some key differences between the two. To start with, traditional menus require physical printing, which incurs costs for paper, ink, and design, which can be really costly, especially if you need to print large quantities and in complex designs. On the other hand, QR code menus only require printing a single QR code, which you can do at a much lower cost. From the user's perspective, QR code menus are more efficient as customers can scan the code with their mobile devices and quickly get their job done without having to wait for a waiter to take orders. The best part is, with a restaurant-first QR code generator such as Beaconstac, you can check the scannability of your QR code. Now, Beaconstac QR codes also offers a scannability score, which helps you to create the best version of your QR codes for maximum scannability and end-user efficiency. Now, with a traditional paper menu, there is no real-time way to ensure the best user experience, and in case you actually are able to find out some areas you could improve, you will have to reprint the entire batch to implement the changes. On the other hand, you can easily edit QR code menus, making it super simple to update pricing and remove items or make any other changes as needed without having to reprint anything. With Beaconstac, all you need is a dynamic QR code. It's editable, customizable, and trackable. Now, QR code menus can be easily updated to include multiple menus based on time of day, specials, or other factors, and Beaconstac allows adding the breakfast, lunch, or dinner menus to the same QR code. It also provides a mobile-friendly landing page to navigate between menus. Traditional menus, on the other hand, need to be reprinted to make these changes, which can be time-consuming and, of course, costly. In this age and time, safety measures come first. QR code menus are considered more sanitary as they eliminate the need for customers to touch physical menus, and this reduces the risk of cross-contamination. On the other hand, physical menus can become a breeding ground for microorganisms. Gross! And this is thanks to all of the constant touching that they go through. Now, you can age restrict QR code menus thanks to the password gating option that's available with Beaconstac's dynamic QR codes. In this way, you can make your own menu accessible to age-appropriate clients only. A traditional menu, on the other hand, requires printing different menus for age-appropriate crowds. When it comes to multilingual menus, with physical ones, you would need to print menus in different languages, and there is only so much that you can accommodate in a single menu. That problem is solved with QR code menus. These QR codes can display the menu in the diner's default language. Now, let's say your restaurant has the menu language set to Spanish. When your client scans the QR code, the menu is displayed in Spanish. Traditional menus are also limited when it comes to scalability, with the need to bulk print and increased print costs. Now, you can easily scale the QR code menus up or down depending on the size of your business and the number of items that you want to include. Now, if you have a franchise, look for an enterprise scale platform that supports your demand as you grow. When it comes to QR code menus, they can be quickly deployed on tables, menus, and any other surfaces. Now, traditional menus require much more effort to deploy and may take longer to reach customers. With a restaurant-first QR code generator like Beaconstac, you can create a QR code menu that is fitting and evolving with your brand identity with extensive customization options. You can present QR codes as an extension of your brand, and this displays the connected experience inside your restaurant and gives customers the confidence to scan them risk-free. While creating a traditional menu takes longer, especially if you want to include images and other design elements, creating a QR code menu is a matter of a few simple steps. All right, let me go ahead and show you how to create a menu QR code with Beaconstac, which offers a restaurant-first QR code experience. To begin with, get your restaurant menu in a PDF format. If you have a design already, you can use a PDF converter to convert your design into a usable PDF file. But if you don't, you can use tools like Canva that offer many templates and design options to create your PDF menu. Once you are happy with your decision, export your menu as a PDF file. This will make it easy to upload later. Upload the PDF menus you created on Canva or already had on Beaconstac. If you want to use an intermediate mobile landing page to switch between multiple menus, then you can customize it using templates available on Beaconstac. Now it's time to customize your menu QR code. You can add a logo, change the colors, solid or gradient, modify the shape of the QR code, the dots and dashes, and add a background or solid color to stand out on the table or wall. And finally, envelope the QR code in a frame with a call to action, such as scan to view menu or scan to order, whatever you desire. Make sure your QR code always reflects the most recent menu, and revise your menu in case you change the delicacies, introduce a new chef's special, or need to share any other update. Now, the next step is to continue adding value with QR-powered digital menu system. Since Beaconstac QR codes are dynamic, you can change the menu to celebrate the occasion. Let's say one of your patrons is celebrating their birthday at your restaurant. You can make them feel extra special by renaming a dish with their name. Or you can switch up the theme of your digital menu when your favorite football team is playing. Hey! Or just upgrade your menu on the weekends. Now, you can analyze and optimize your restaurant's ordering mechanism and explore various insights with Beaconstac's smooth tracking and analytic capabilities. Unlock the opportunity to gather data and customer insight from your physical space. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some restaurants that have surely put their menu QR codes to great use. Number 1. Marriott restaurants in several locations, including Aruba, Texas, California, New Jersey, England, and Florida, have successfully implemented QR code menus to limit the touch of physical objects. By being one of the early adopters of this technology, Marriott hotels have set an example for other hotels to follow, showcasing the benefits of using QR code menus to provide a safer and more convenient dining experience for their customers. Look closely at Marriott Aruba's successful marketing strategy using Beaconstac QR codes on this awesome channel. The link is in the description below. Number 2, West Egg Cafe in Atlanta uses Beaconstac to power its QR code menus. The cafe took QR code menus and added a cool layer of innovation. When the customer flips the cube to the green side, a staff member walks up to take orders. Restaurants and hotels, big and small, like Hilton, Marriott, and Hyatt, are using a powerful QR code menu generator like Beaconstac for its ease of use and versatility and functionality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Beaconstac's 14-day free trial and brace yourself for housefuls, as diners will love your custom branded and safe menu QR code. Table for 2, please. Now, do not forget to subscribe to this awesome channel for everything QR codes. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.